you blow my whistle, baby, let me know. Girl, I'm gonna show you how to do it, and we start real slow. You just put your lips together and you come real close.
So what we're gonna do is this light source that you put in your head, and tripod, and the fish eye lens. So now I'm gonna take the upper part of this light source, and then I'm gonna take away this upper side of the tripod, because it's where I'm gonna put the cell phone on it, so that I can record from here. And I'm gonna put this tape to make it stick into this part.
Like everywhere I go, my whistle ready to blow. Shawty don't leave a note, she can get any by the low. Permission not approved, it's okay, it's under control. Show me soprano, cause girl you can handle. Baby we start snack, you come up in park clothes. Girl I lose and
And then I'm gonna put the fish eye lens on my cell phone to show me more angles when I am recording. And then I'm gonna put my cell phone here. Here we go. And then it's done. So guys, what do you think about it? I hope you liked it. I usually use it to draw graffiti or street art. And a lot of people do that, of course. Some people use it to record hardcore, as you see in the video. That's real.
So yeah guys, thank you for watching this video. I'm so thankful for you for the 200 subscribers on my channel. I'm so excited. This really inspires me to do a lot more videos. Please share your comments in the comment section, and your thoughts about my content, and see you in the next video.